Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your mum here, and this is my first ever YouTube video ever on the site YouTube. I don't know if you know what that website is because I created it, and this is the first video on it. So probably don't subscribe, don't comment, don't like the video or anything. Yeah, please, all of you fuck off. Today we're going to be looking at Reddit, going to be reacting like every other generic YouTuber because I hate myself and my life. So yeah, we're going to be on the dark depths of YouTube subreddit, and this one's going to be a fun one. Let's just get right into it, mate.
A few moments later.
Konnichiwa, minasan. Hope I said that right.
Konnichiwa, minasan. Kuma-chan desu.
There's too many questions to be asked here, and I don't know if I want to know the answer to them.
Kuma-chan desu. Yuki suki desu ka? Ah, Yuki daisuki desu. Ah.
It's spring in the UK at the moment, and it's fucking freezing. And this guy's out there fully fucking nude, not feeling anything. Then again, it is a bit of a cheat code when you got big fucking titties keeping all that heat in.
Ah, Yuki-chan. Yuki-chan daisuki desu. Yuki-chan. Ah, Kuma-chan desu. Kuma-chan desu. Ja, mata ne.
Well, I don't know about you, but that has given me an absolute...
Stock on.
This guy is the absolute pinnacle of human evolution. I mean, big tits to store away all that heat, a big old beard so he can save his crumbs for later, and a beautiful little smile to attract all those children into his basement. Dragon caught on camera. Top viral video 2016. Real flying dragon caught on camera. Fucking 10 out of 10 for that drawing though. Not gonna lie, I probably couldn't do a better drawing than that. So, yeah.
Okay, this is how it's going down. We're going to do this one time. You got one shot. All or nothing. Going to give you one chance to challenge me. You ready?
No.
You don't look ready.
Shut your fucking mouth, you cunt!
On 3. 1. 2. 3.
Go on, cut this
Should have seen that coming.
Go on, very good, very good. I love it when cat wins. Cat always wins. Wounds of existence, kicking children into the pool.
Kicking children into the pool. Kicking children into the pool.
I gotta turn it off. That was too much fire. Way too much fucking fire. What's it like further in? Oh, this is like a top. Go on then, bye. Loving that, loving that. How many views has that got? That should be on the charts, man. 217. Are you mad? They need to get a record label. Fuck, that's fat. Suck my dog's dick.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Chloe builds a guitar in bikini in this woodworking tutorial series. 200 views.
My guitar name.
I don't fucking care about that bitch. Perfect no, don't worry. Toe body's perfect.
Nice.
Hey. Po buddy body's perfect.
Yes, my body is nerfy.
Po body's perfect.
Yes, you're right, man. Thank you. You're really helping me. You're helping me through the day.
Woo!
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
18 pack of Mountain Dew, here we come.
Hell yeah, brother. Oh, I need to listen to that again.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother.
Hey, Americans are a different fucking breed, man. What the fuck? Run,
African American.
run. Shit, son. I visual effects or something else. That's true. Give me something fucking funny, like not this stuff, bro. Like this. This is banana fantasy. This looks good already, I can tell. A half-naked man has banana for his dick. That shit's hot as fuck, bro.
That's where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh.
Wait, what? Where's clothes go, bro? Wait a minute. That banana was on the floor. He was standing there. And I'm me. And who the hell's that guy?
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
Amateur makes radiation gun out of microwave in his kitchen, 12 years old. 5k views.
Okay, this is my homemade maximum voltage ionizer. Let's take a closer look at it here. Basically got a Sharp brand microwave oven. Nothing major in the name. Standard carousel model. You know. What we have here is we have our outlet. It's called a horn antenna. Made this myself. This goes through the wall and goes in, right into the back, inside the microwave, right to the actual waveguide coming right off the magnetron. There you see that hole. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're going to fire this puppy up. See what happens. Give her a 1 minute burst. Yep. And let's see what happens. Start.
Fuck off. I don't like that.
Maximum voltage, baby. Yeah. Look at that.
What? That's, I didn't even fucking notice that. What the fuck is going on? What? No. How the fuck? I don't. What? So he put a microwave behind a light bulb and turned it on with his. What? How? I've got to read the comments, man. Scientists, no. Building a ray gun involves overcoming many technical challenges, such as not being limited to the ionization and the plasmification of the, no fucking hell, big words, man, of the nitrogen atoms in the surrounding air. Furthermore, this guy, microwave ray gun, goes. Yeah, that's about right. Sounds about right. Hey, that's crazy. What the actual fuck? Oh, see, this is one I was on about earlier when I was saying there is some good shit. I've seen this, yeah, but I saw this recently. This is fucking hilarious. This guy makes fucking music from a bike pump and he gets 200 views. Okay, okay. Gang shit, bro. Wonder what else has he made any other covers? Let's have a look. Bike pump music, 1.2k subscribers now. A coffin dance with a bike. Yeah, this guy's talented. Does he not? He should have so many more subscribers. That's enough gay shit for me today. Unless it's my uncle touching me, then it'll never be enough. Sick. That's the end of the video. It's probably a pile of shit. I'm sorry that you even stumbled across this fucking thing. If I could give you back that time, I would, but I can't. Fuck you, and see you later.